The eastern Ghats extend from the Mahanadi Valley in the north to the Nilgiri Hills in the south. The average height is 450 meters, with Mahendragiri as its highest peak. Mahendragiri stands at an elevation of 1500 meters. The Great Indian Desert is also known as the Thar Desert. It lies to the west of the Aravalli Mountains and covers most of the Rajasthan with some parts in Gujarat, Haryana and Punjab. It continues till Sindh in Pakistan, where it is known as the Cholistan Desert. It covers an area of about 259,000 square kilometers and is interspersed with hillocks, gravel, salt marshes and some lakes. The main features of the Great Indian Desert are as follows. Undulating sandy plain, covered with sand dunes. Rainfall less than 150 millimeters per year. Luni is the only large river. Hot and arid. Low vegetation cover. The coastal plains of India extend on the other side of the peninsular plateau. It extends from Kutch in Gujarat in the west to the Ganges Delta in the east. The total length of the coastal plains of India is 6,100 kilometers. It is surrounded by the Arabian Sea in the west and the Bay of Bengal in the east. The western coastal plains of India lie between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. It extends from the Gulf of Kutch in the north to Kanyakumari in the south. The length and width of the western coastal plains is 1500 kilometers and 50 kilometers respectively. It is narrow and uneven. There are numerous estuaries along the western coastal plains. It is blessed with natural harbors like Mumbai and Mumbai. Mumbai port ranks within the first 10 leading iron ores exporting ports of the world. The western coastal plain is interspersed with saltwater lakes or lagoons as we move towards the south. The eastern coastal plains of India lie between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. It extends from Tamil Nadu in the south to West Bengal in the north. The width of this stretch of land ranges from 100 to 130 kilometers. It is far more wider than its western counterpart. The eastern coastal plains consist of the deltas of the rivers Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. This coastal plain is characterized by broad and flat land. Some saltwater lakes or lagoons like the Chilka Lake of Odisha and the Pulicat Lake of Tamil Nadu are found in the eastern coastal plains.
Now
India.
An island is a piece of land that is surrounded by water. In India, we have two groups of islands that offer real amalgamation of beauty and nature. The Lakshadweep Islands and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The Lakshadweep Islands are located in the Arabian Sea, formerly known as Laccadive, Minicoy, and Antivi. These islands were renamed Lakshadweep in 1973. These islands lie between latitudes 8° north and 12° north, and longitudes 71° east and 74° east. Lakshadweep is a group of about 36 coral islands, out of which 10 are inhabited. The rest of the 26 ones are left isolated till now. It is located 300 kilometers to the west of the coast of Kerala. The total area of Lakshadweep Island is 32 square kilometers. The main islands are Kalarappi, Minicoy, and Andhri. The capital of these islands is Kalarappi. The Lakshadweep Islands are of coral origin. Do you know that coral is the skeleton of tiny sea animals known as polyps? Lakshadweep is a perfect combination of beautiful islands, coral reefs, atolls, crystal clear sea water, and the silvery sand beaches. It has very rich variety of flora and fauna. Lakshadweep is a coconut territory. Entire land space of the islands is filled with coconut palms. Other than coconut, jackfruit, lemons and bananas are also grown here. The major communities that reside in Lakshadweep are Amini, Koyas, Malvis and Malacharis. Another group of islands is the Andaman and Nicobar, which is located in the Bay of Bengal. These islands lie between latitude 6° north and 14° north, and longitude 92° east and 94° east. The Andaman and Nicobar group of islands has over 572 islands, out of which only 38 are permanently inhabited, 11 in the Andaman group and 13 in the Nicobars. The Andaman Islands were known as Kalamani, which means black water. The Andaman and Nicobar group of islands are separated from each other by 10-degree channel, as Andaman in the north and Nicobar in the south. The total area of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands is 700 square kilometers. Rigi Archipelago is an important island in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands is Port Blair. These islands are of volcanic origin. These islands offer a wide variety of seasonal vegetables, pulses, pepper, nutmeg, cinnamon, and a huge variety of fruits. The major communities in Andaman and Nicobar Islands are Andamanese, Ongis, Jarawas. On 26 December 2004, the coasts of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands were devastated by tsunami. Thousands of people lost their lives. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands offers endless variety of exotic flora and fauna. These two groups of islands attract tourists from all over the world.
Test yourself. Which is the most densely populated region in India? The options are A. Thar Desert, B. Eastern Coastal Plains, C. Northern Plains, D. Lakshadweep Island. Hint. The answer is C. The Northern Plains. Explanation. The Northern Plains are agriculturally productive due to the deposition of the alluvial soil. There is rich soil cover, adequate water supply, and climate is favorable. They contain some of the largest reserves of underground water in the world.
Let us summarize the topic. The major physical features of India are the northern mountain ranges, the Great Northern Plain, the Peninsular Plateau, the Great Indian Desert, the coastal plains, and the island groups.